Smith Snackfoods, Australia's leading manufacturer of rice, corn, and potato-based snacks, installed a new process line to manufacture its oven-baked potato chips. Designed by Flexicon's project engineering division, the line discharges major ingredients from bulk bags using bulk-out model BFC bulk bag dischargers that meter the ingredients by rotary valve into a pneumatic line. Installed facing one another, the matching dischargers are each equipped with an electric hoist and trolley that travels on an I-beam common to both frames, allowing bulk bags to be loaded from a single floor location. When a batch is initiated, the rotary airlock of either discharger begins metering material into a common pneumatic conveying line, leading to a Flexicon filter receiver suspended on load cells. Weight gain information is transmitted to the system controller that runs the airlock valve at high speed, then at dribble feed rate before stopping at the precise batch weight. The batch accumulated in the filter receiver is then gravity discharged into a paddle mixer. Low-volume ingredients are added at twin bag tip stations with integral dust collection and a rotary airlock valve, all being conveyed pneumatically to the same filter receiver. Each station has a chute that leads to a Flexicon bag compactor that compresses up to 150 bags into a plastic-lined container for dust-free disposal. Blended batches are discharged into a Flexicon buffer hopper that is sized to provide a continuous supply of material to the downstream process through a second pneumatic conveying system and filter receiver. Learn more about Flexicon pneumatic conveying systems, weigh batching systems, bag tip stations, and the full line of Flexicon bulk handling equipment at flexicon.com.